Imagine a house that arrives on a truck, and by the weekend, you're sleeping in it. Sounds impossible? Stick around, because today we're counting down 10 of the most incredible modern prefab modular homes on the planet. And trust me, number 1 might just change the way you think about home forever. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a build. Now let's get into it. 10. Vessel House Model V. We're starting strong. Studio 804, a non-profit design-build organization out of Kansas, created something that looks more like sculpture than shelter. Model V gets its name from its vessel-like shape, one designed to literally catch rainwater and feed it straight into the home's plumbing. Inside, an open floor plan, oversized windows, and a build process that slashes waste and construction time. It comes in multiple sizes and configurations, but this is just the warm-up. What's coming next is even smaller and even smarter. 9. Digs to Go. NYU students built this one to solve a real crisis: sky-high rent in New York City. Digs to Go packs a kitchen, bathroom, sleeping area, and living space into just 100 square feet. It's got a green roof, solar panels, and a rainwater collection system, built using bamboo and recyclable steel. And the best part, it's designed to be genuinely affordable. But if you think small and efficient is impressive, wait until you see how one architect reimagined tradition itself. 8. Adodu. The Dwell House Nigerian architect Tosin Oshinowo designed the Adodu to be affordable, sustainable, and endlessly adaptable. It's built from movable prefabricated modules you can assemble on site, powered by solar and a green roof, and rooted in traditional Nigerian architecture, natural materials, smart ventilation. Modules can be added or removed as your needs change. It's flexible by design. And speaking of flexible, Italy has its own answer, and it might be even more adjustable. 7. Hi-Fab. Mario Cucinella Architects, one of Italy's leading firms, built Hi-Fab to expand or shrink based on what you actually need. The prefabricated modules snap together on site, backed by solar panels, a rainwater system, and a green roof. Storage is built into the walls, furniture rearranges easily, and the whole interior breathes with natural light. Simple on the outside, but what's next takes natural materials to a whole new level. 6. Koto, the newest house. This one runs on an air source heat pump, solar panels, and a green roof. But its real signature is the materials. Timber, cork, and wood insulation dominate the build, giving it a warmth few prefab homes manage. It's designed to flex across bedroom and bathroom layouts depending on the life you're building. Speaking of flexing to the seasons, the next home was engineered specifically for that. 5. Go Logic. Model 1700. Built by Maine-based Go Logic, the 1700 is engineered around passive solar design, positioned to block heat in summer and pull in warmth during winter. Triple glazed windows, solar panels, and a heavily insulated envelope make it one of the most energy-conscious homes on this list. Clean, minimalist, natural materials throughout. But what's coming up next isn't just one home. It's an entire business model built around affordability. 4. Build Cover. This UK-based modular housing company doesn't just build one home. They build a whole system. From tiny garden houses to full family homes, every Build Cover property comes with triple glazed windows, airtight insulation, and mechanical heat recovery. Add in solar, green roofs, and rainwater collection, and you've got a genuinely sustainable lineup. Their biggest advantage? A fixed price guarantee. No surprises, no scope creep. But the next entry takes modularity somewhere even more extreme. 3. Manta North. Slope Manta North slope model is built to be moved, reconfigured, and expanded almost endlessly. Triple glazed windows, solar panels, and heavy insulation handle the efficiency side, but it's the modular add-on system that stands out, letting owners extend their home in stages as life changes. We're almost at the top now, and Spain's entry brings something the rest of this list has been missing: pure minimalism. 2. Taller Aragonés. Pie House. Spanish design firm Taller Aragonés built the Pie House around one idea: simplicity done right. Prefabricated modules ship easily and assemble fast, with low emissivity glass, rainwater collection, and a tightly insulated shell keeping energy use low. Wood and stone dominate the aesthetic. Clean lines, open rooms, zero clutter. It's proof that affordable doesn't have to mean basic. And now, for the home that takes everything we've covered: efficiency, flexibility, affordability, and combines it into one final design. 1. Orange Architects. Holiday home Dutch firm Orange Architects built the holiday home to be the most adaptable entry on this entire list. Solar panels, triple glazed windows, and a fully insulated shell keep energy costs low, while a modular add-on system means the home can grow, literally, right alongside your family. Multiple bedroom and bathroom configurations mean this single design can become dozens of different homes. It's the perfect note to end on. Proof that prefab isn't a compromise. It's the future. So there you have it. 10 homes proving that modular living can be beautiful, efficient, and built for real life. Which one would you actually live in? Drop your pick in the comments below, and if this got you thinking about building smarter and more affordable, make sure you're subscribed to Affordable Homes and Plans. We break down builds like these every single week. See you in the next one.